Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly. Means 9th of October. And first of all, national news. 19 US lawmakers urge Trump to reset and repair ties with India. Assam's tea garden workers march to demand scheduled tribes status. Navi Mumbai Airport, a symbol of Bharat's aspirations, Gautam Adani. Multiple FIRs filed in Punjab over social media post against Chief Justice. Now, international news. 19 US lawmakers urge Trump to reset and repair ties with India. California became third US state to recognize Diwali as official holiday. Nvidia to keep sponsoring H-1B visas despite crackdown, a report said. Warm welcome for Keir Starmer in Mumbai as he lighted diyas ahead of Diwali. Sports news: ICC Women's World Cup 2025. Beth Monet century set up Australia's 107-run win over Pakistan. India's playing Z versus West Indies for second test all but revealed by assistant coach. Business related news: India can emerge as a data hub, PM Modi at India Mobile Congress 2025. Rupee fall 3 paise to close at 88.80 against US dollar. Coal India had signed a similar non binding agreement with Konkan Railways this August. And that's all in news. Thank you.